back to another Steam Boss video. So today we are at another commercial job. This is gonna be a little bit of a quick one today, but I figured we'll just show you around, show you what we're doing, and let's get to it. It is a beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida. So we got the Steam Boss van out here. We got a bunch of stuff that we're doing today. I'm gonna bring this stuff inside, and we'll show you guys what we're doing. All right, so we got a pretty decent hose run. You can see all the way over there. We got Bill starting on the far end of the corner here. So this is just a new office move-in that we're getting all cleaned up for him. So we're doing all the carpets. We're doing VCT. We're not gonna be doing VCT today, but that'll be a different video. We'll show you guys. That'll be another day. And we're also doing the dividers right there, which I've started on the other side. So let's see what everybody's up to. Oh, we got Sue over here doing some pre-vacuuming. Hi. Hi. So we got all this over here. So, well, Bill's been over there kind of doing all that with the truck mount. I got my little station over here, just kind of doing all these dividers. So these on this side are already done. I was bringing in just that fan that you guys saw just to start drying these up, but they're looking pretty good. Kind of just getting all the greasy fingerprints off and getting them all cleaned up. So over here, we do have the super spinner. We were just using that a couple seconds ago. We'll get some footage of the super spinner. And then over here, we just have Bill doing some carpet cleaning. Want to say hi?
Hello, everybody.
In TV land.
In TV land?
Yep. Doing
clean in here?
Yep. It's looking good. Working on this side over here. And this side over here is already done. So it looks really, really nice. Getting it all cleaned up for him. So today, in addition to the zipper in here, in the sprayer here, we're using Sager's Code Red today. Working great out on this carpet. And we even brought out the big boy, our 15-inch CRB machine here for some of these spots that we want to make sure come out on the first try. Pouring my little spray bottle here, just using a little bit of eloquence on these, just to spruce them up a little bit. We do have some little greasy fingerprints on there, so we're just giving these a squirt here. And then use some low moisture tool and extracting them, and it's working out great. Got all those done. They look a little bit splotchy on camera only because they're drying. So, but as you can see, these over here look really nice. These are already dry. And on to this one. So spraying here next. Goodness. All right, knocking some carpet out here now. Looking good. And I guess we will be showing you guys the dump water, because every single video somebody asks to see the dump water. All right, so we just got this big chunk left over here. Show you guys what we already got done. This conference room is done. This big area is over here done. That big area over there is done. So it turned out really, really well. So I think we're gonna end by showing you guys the dirty water, and that's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you are new. We'd really appreciate it. Check out our other social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. And as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace. All right, people, there you go. That's what's coming out of your carpet right there. Pretty dark. smells lovely.
No. Lovely is not the word
Lovely is
I would
not the
use.
word, yep.
I would not use flowery or fresh.
Yep.
I would use very stale and, here's a professional term for you. Icky.
Icky. All right.
Icky.
Cut.